This video is packed with mind-blowing construction innovations you've probably never heard of. Get ready to be amazed, because some of these ideas will completely change how you think about building. From unbelievable liquid rubber to a tile-laying robot, there's plenty to discover. Grab your hard hat because we're heading out for a tour of the construction sites of tomorrow. Optum presents itself as the leader in bridge construction. The company works on both road and pedestrian bridges and uses modern composite materials for building and repairs. Let's take a look at how Optum specialists upgraded a road bridge in Bronovo, Poland. They handled the design phase, brought in one of Poland's technical universities for testing, and used Optum FRP, a fiber-reinforced composite. It's lightweight, strong, and weather-resistant. Now, the bridge, measuring 140 meters in length and 5.2 meters in width, will serve the residents and visitors of Bronovo for many years to come. Now, let's take a look at another Optum project involving the repair of a smaller pedestrian and bicycle bridge. Here too, the team used composite material, which proved to be a great choice thanks to its better grip and reduced slipperiness. We have good news for construction workers who regularly deal with slab formwork. The Doker team has developed Doker Xbot Lift, a robot that can handle the difficult task of lifting formwork components up to a height of 5.7 meters. With this assistant, work goes faster, since the robot is easy to control from a tablet. It also improves safety thanks to remote operation. To prevent accidental use, access to the robot is secured with an RFID card. The result is less physical strain on workers and higher overall efficiency. Missed our revolution in the making section? Today, the team behind NetForm is here to impress. At first glance, this looks like a typical formwork panel, one of hundreds, if not thousands, on the market. But the innovation lies in the subtle details. First, NetForm contains a built-in fiberglass mesh that makes it easier to lay pipes, cables, and other utilities. Second, this same mesh makes working with rebar much more convenient. Third, the elements are extremely easy to install. They're secured using regular nails. And finally, NetForm is a permanent formwork solution. Would you say that it's enough to call it a revolution? If you need to build bridges quickly, safely, and with less hassle, Structuras is ready to help. Its MSS movable scaffolding systems can handle spans of up to 70 meters, which makes them suitable for both railway and road bridges. These systems allow each span to be poured in one or multiple stages, and can easily adapt to curved paths with a variable radius. They're also flexible enough to accommodate various cross-section shapes. One of the most impressive features is that these systems allow bridges to be built over active railways without interrupting train traffic. The spans gradually take shape overhead while trains continue passing underneath. It's an impressive feat of engineering. Construction has moved on to flooring, and this team chose to work with components called Podlock. These serve as spacers and also hold polystyrene blocks in place so they don't get blown away by the wind. Podlock pairs especially well with the rib raft system, which enables the creation of earthquake-resistant flooring. And thanks to the crab clip feature, spaces can be easily bundled for storage and transport. A pack of 25 costs $33. Fire Coat is a coating developed for fire protection. It works on brick, concrete, steel, wood, and other materials, and meets the Australian BAL 40 national standard. That means it's suitable for buildings and structures located in high bushfire risk zones. The coating is effective against both smouldering embers and open flames. Just watch how it's tested under intense heat. Fire Coat comes in two types. The first, interior, can be applied like regular paint using a brush or roller. It's ideal for wood, MDF and drywall. Drying time ranges from 2 to 5 hours. The second type, exterior, is better suited for brick and steel. For maximum effectiveness, it's recommended to apply it using airless spraying. The drying time is approximately 7 days. For many, used tyres are nothing but a waste that's hard to store. In Kuwait, for example, you can find the largest tyre graveyard in the world, with around 50 million tyres piled up. But they could actually be a valuable asset in construction. A technology called mechanical concrete turns old tyres into a highly useful resource. Roads built with it cost 75% less to maintain compared to traditional ones. On top of that, mechanical concrete greatly improves the strength of the pavement. Potholes, ruts, erosion, and other common issues either disappear entirely or are significantly reduced. The load-bearing capacity also triples. Mechanical concrete is useful not only for roads, but also for warehouse yards, parking lots, and similar applications. What a practical solution. Did you know that, just like sewer lines, there's also a whole infrastructure for cables? It's essential for organizing wired utility networks. One key element is the cable access chamber. This one, the KKTN2 model, is made from polymer and weighs just 9 kilograms, which makes life a lot easier for installers. It features 8 mounting zones, and the housing is a single molded piece for greater durability. It also holds up well in a wide range of temperatures, from -50 to +60 degrees Celsius. The cost is $156. This connector system for wall-to-wall and wall-to-column joints is called Willora. It's a profiled steel rail with wire loops inside. It seems simple enough, but Willora's design is extremely well thought out. For example, the wire isn't just any wire, but a patented product that can be bent and unbent while remaining highly stable in its set position. That makes rebar installation significantly easier. The system is also simple to attach exactly where needed and can handle several types of loads, including tension and shear. ThermaBead is an insulation material made up of polystyrene beads. It looks fresh and creative, and you'd never guess it's been used in the UK for over 30 years. If it's still popular after all that time, it must offer something special, right? And it does. This insulation cuts energy use by 30% and heat loss by 70%. is also much easier to work with compared to many traditional materials. You just need coin-sized holes and a special applicator gun to inject the beads. For apartments, installers usually complete the job in less than a day, and the insulation lasts as long as the building itself. Need to create recesses in concrete ceilings or walls? Time to bring out the Steck-Box. These form boxes are assembled from plastic parts like building blocks. No nuts or bolts required. Just a few seconds and they're ready to install. There are 36 versions available, and they're easy to customize. You can quickly adjust them for plumbing or heating pipes with a hole saw. The mesh-like wall structure gives the boxes excellent grip with concrete, and once the concrete is poured, Steck-Box stays in place, saving builders even more time. With Silka Tempo, building the walls of a private home takes less time than choosing the interior design. These lime sand blocks are quite large, so a two-person crew can finish 50 square meters of wall in just one workday. In the video, builders are working on a two-story house with a total area of 300 square meters. To speed things up, they're using a mini crane. The contractor says it's their first project using Silka Tempo, but the training provided by Zella, the supplier, was so effective that work began the very next day. The blocks also offer impressive compressive strength of 20 megapascals and excellent sound insulation. System 3E is a building method that uses perlite blocks. There are only 6 main components, which makes mistakes unlikely and the construction speed impressive. A 100 square meter house can have its walls completed in a single day. No glue, mortar or water needed. It's no wonder the creators of System 3E call it the biggest innovation in construction in the past 100 years. On top of that, the blocks can be installed without heavy machinery, and the costs are comparable to traditional methods. No surprise this system has been used in more than 100 projects across Poland, Spain, the UK, and more. Concrete is one of the world's most widely used construction materials, with global production reaching 6 billion cubic meters annually. So, why not take it to the next level with cutting-edge technology? That's exactly what the WaveLogix team has done with Rebel, which are sensors that monitor concrete in real time. These sensors are added to the mix during pouring and send data directly to a smartphone. For example, workers can pinpoint when the concrete reaches the required strength. Rebel also helps improve maintenance and repair scheduling, like for concrete roads, and with AI algorithms can even suggest the perfect mix for specific sites, reducing cement use by up to 25%. Tile setters, watch out! The P900 robot is here to challenge you. Right now, it only handles floor tiling, but it does so at an impressive speed of 18 square meters per hour. And it's not just slapping tiles onto the floor. It uses a specialized leveling system and SLAM navigation to ensure precise placement. The P900 is already working in large venues like schools, train stations, and airports. It's laid over 20,000 square meters of tile, and the quality of its work has satisfied all involved parties. The team at Sapphire Balconies aims to stay at the forefront of innovation and to push the limits of architectural freedom. How, exactly? With their clip-on balconies. Made of aluminium, they're relatively lightweight at 350 kilograms. That means less stress on the building structure. And the installation method shown on the screen not only saves time, but also solves or at least reduces a number of issues, from thermal bridging to unnecessary risks for workers. By the way, the company proudly showcases its installation record on its website, just 1 minute and 34 seconds per balcony. The developers of Flamline also have a surprise in store. This impressive membrane is mainly used for waterproofing expansion and control joints, and it works as a 2-in-1 system. It blocks water and compensates for movement. Flamline can be used in a wide range of projects, from residential buildings to parking decks. In addition to the obvious concrete applications, it also works well with metal, plastic and wood. Installing the membrane is pretty simple and doesn't require any special training or tools. Flamline is supplied in a convenient roll format, making it easy to carry to the installation site, even through a narrow hatch. Here's a question. What accounts for about 1/3 of global energy consumption? Manufacturing? Computers? Actually, it's heating and cooling buildings. If we want to reduce CO2 emissions, conserve resources and fight climate change, improving insulation is absolutely essential. That's exactly what the team behind Arium is focused on. Their mineral foam formula is pumped or poured into the target area, then hardens into a lightweight and effective insulating layer. It's fire-resistant, doesn't attract insects or rodents, and performs well even in tough climates like the scorching Algerian summer. Its density can also be adjusted, which helps architects and structural engineers do their jobs more easily. What's new in the world of geotextiles? The base track non-woven range is definitely worth a look. It's used for all kinds of infrastructure, from runways to retaining walls, and it handles separation, filtration, and drainage. It prevents crushed stone from mixing with soil, improving the shear strength of road bases. The geotextile is made from polypropylene, polyester or blended fibers, all bonded using a needle punching method. Customers can choose the density and width. Standard options go up to 5 meters. Basetrack non-woven is well suited for large-scale projects like this Austrian reservoir and consistently delivers high quality since it's made in Germany. Creative paving solutions can transform an ordinary asphalt surface into a decorative feature. This is a great option for bike paths, pedestrian crossings and other infrastructure where both function and appearance matter. Even a plain store parking lot looks dramatically better after their work. They know their craft, having already upgraded over 4.5 million square meters of asphalt. The process involves specialized infrared heaters and templates that are pressed into softened asphalt. Then, color and protective coatings are applied. The end result can look just like brick pavers. The first product from RF System was a cable plow. For over 40 years, the company has been expanding its lineup of equipment that makes cable installation easier and faster. Their range now stretches from simple plows to a chain system capable of digging down to 1.5 meters and covering 200 meters per hour. RF system gear handles even the toughest projects: cutting, compacting, laying cable, and more, even in frozen ground. And since RF System is now a subsidiary of Kinschoffer, a leading global maker of loader and excavator attachments, its products are available on the international market too. Meanwhile, specialists at Ames Research Laboratories have successfully developed liquid rubber. Meet the Blue Max range. Inside its containers, you'll find a true wonder. Blue Max liquid rubber is so durable that after curing, it stretches by 1200%. It's so sticky that it works on metal, wood, tiles, stone, and other materials. And it's so versatile that it serves as both a joint sealant and as waterproofing. Applying Blue Max is easy, just a brush or roller will do the trick. Its bright blue color makes it nearly impossible to miss any spots. Plus, it's perfect for use anywhere, from basements to rooftops. Wirtgen Group is thinking big and is not only offering a single product, but a whole system called Smart Automation. The idea is to take road construction to a new level of automation. For example, with an automatic paver like Willora, you can build highways to much stricter tolerances than usual. During milling, data from popular surveying and planning software is invaluable. Project managers can easily assess the surface area, volume, and the minimum, average, and maximum milling depth. And with GNSS receivers and RTK correction signals, the accuracy of the work is unmatched. It's no surprise the concept was nominated for the Bauma Innovation Award 2025 in the digitalization category. If you need to move bulk materials quickly, this machine from Iniquip is the perfect option. It's the most powerful, precise, and maneuverable of its kind. When its unique body opens, it can carry about 9 cubic meters per load and launch material up to 43 meters. The manufacturer recommends it for a wide range of applications, from flood control to land reclamation. Whether it's compost or minerals, this machine can handle it. Its full drive and special tires make it the king of off-road machinery. You've probably heard of underfloor heating, but have you heard of Permatop Wall? It's similar, except it works in walls. This system stands out for its quick installation and integration with smart home technology. Imagine your walls talking to the thermostat, automatically maintaining the perfect temperature. The heating or cooling medium is just slightly warmer or cooler than the surrounding air, making the system more efficient. It also comes with precise fittings and clamps for a smooth installation. And there's more. In the summer, Permatop Wall works as an anti-radiator, keeping your space cool without drafts or noise.